Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some stained glass cookies. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if there's any recipes you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To make these stained glass cookies, add in 113 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in a pinch of salt and mix to combine. Add in 1 egg and make sure it's mixed well. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in 1.5 cups of flour and mix until a soft dough forms. Place the soft dough onto some cling wrap and wrap the dough. Then place the dough into the fridge for 30 minutes. Roll out the dough. Add a sprinkle of extra flour to prevent the dough from sticking. Cut out heart shapes from the dough. First cut out big heart shapes, then cut out the center hearts from the cookies. Place the cookies onto a lined baking tray. Crush some clear sweets. I used a variety of colors. Look how colorful it looks. Then sprinkle the crushed sweets into the center of the cookies. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Allow to cool completely before removing from the pan. I absolutely love these cookies and they're really easy to make. I hope you make this at home and enjoy.